Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, I mentioned that my friend Manya and I had started a new Instagram business, and I told you guys that I'll share the rest of the details in the upcoming video. So this is the video just about that. It's called How to Start a New Instagram Business in 7 Simple Steps. Step 1, and I'm telling you it's the most important step. Look like this. You cannot look good and make candles at the same time. It's against the law. You cannot do that. No, you cannot. Step 2, show all the items that you brought for the candle making. So here I have these tiny glass jars to act as the candle containers. The dimensions of these jars are 4 into 4 and 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is, and they have a beautiful golden lid. We got 12 of these jars, so that would make 12 scented candles. And what are scented candles without scents, of course? So the next item is scents. We got 3 scents, that is lavender, rose and musky lime, and these would be the flavors of our scented candles. Right now we just have 3 flavors: lavender, rose and lime, but trust me, they smell amazing. And next up, of course, wax, because obviously these are candles. And the type of wax that we got is paraffin wax. And that brings us to our next step, that is step 3, melting the wax. And I know ideally I should call this step making the candles, but I broke this video into several different steps so I can make this video longer and extend my watch time. So yeah, step 3, melting the wax. नॉर्मली इसको डबल बॉयलर में मेल्ट करते हैं, बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस डबल बॉयलर के साथ बहुत ख़राब रहा है. कभी डबल बॉयलर में ज़िंदगी में मुझसे ना साबुन पिघला है ना वैक्स पिघली है. किसी से हुआ हो तो प्लीज़ बताना. हमसे तो ज़िंदगी में नहीं हुआ. बट डोंट वरी, इससे वैक्स में कुछ ऐसे गड़बड़ी नहीं होती है, बट इट्स जस्ट नॉट रिकमेंडेड बिकॉज वैक्स बहुत ईजिली फ्लेमेबल होती है, वो जल्दी जल जाते हैं उसके वेपर्स, इसलिए डायरेक्ट हीट पे हीट करना रिकमेंडेड नहीं होता है. एंड इवन आई वोंट रिकमेंड दिस.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
Step 4, add pigment to the candles. Since the 3 fragrances that we use are rose, lavender and lime, so the colors that we'll be using is pink, purple and yellow. So the first candle that we are making is lime scented, so I'm adding yellow pigment to my melted wax and lightly stirring it with the back end of a color pencil. We added the respective scents to the candles and then poured them into the jars that we showed earlier. And now that our candles are finally solidified, the next step is clicking pictures. And this is how we click our pictures, by using a hoodie as our backdrop, because we are too poor to get an actual white or I don't know whatever colored backdrop. So yeah, you have to deal with this. And that brings us to step 6, that is labeling the candles. And now you guys will be watching my dear friend and my business partner put labels on our candles. And now to the final step, step 7, pack and sell the candles.
Mandisha, do you like our service?
Okay, so we just had a Women's Day sale from 5th to 8th March, and can you believe it? We sold out 7 of our scented candles, 4 classic lavenders, 2 winter rose, and 1 musky lime. Oh my god, this is seriously so overwhelming for both of us, and we are so happy. The packages have been shipped and they must be on their way to you right now. And I just want to say thank you so much for supporting us, and I am extremely happy, and I cannot believe that we got out of stock on lavender. Oh my god, this is okay. These numbers might not seem a lot to a lot of people out there, but for us who made these things by our very own hands, it literally means a lot to us. Thank you so much. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. We worked so hard for making these candles, and we are extremely glad that these candles turned out to be amazing. They smell amazing, they look so cute, and I hope you guys like it too. And if you do, then please check them out on our Instagram page, that is Low Prices and Aesthetic Choices. The link is in the description, and this is the Instagram handle. If you like this video, please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my Naya's channel. The link is in the description, and it is probably in this card somewhere here. And that's it for the video, guys. And with that, this video comes to an end, and see you again later in the next video. Goodbye.